Hey guys, welcome back to JS Media. Here, I've got my friend Tim.
Tim from Victory Lab. Hi everyone.
Today we're working on his Honda Accord Euro. He got a, Mugen style wing
Yep.
to put on. So we're gonna spend a bit of time today and chuck that on. Hopefully it doesn't take too long, but we'll see and find out.
It's very, very scary putting holes through the boot, and I don't want to have to get a new boot or a new wing, so let's hope we get it right the first time.
Yeah, so we'll see how it goes, but let's have fun whilst doing it.
Of course.
Here we're just test fitting the wing before making any holes.
I think we know the top one was the back one.
Yeah, and we know the 50mm part.
Yeah. So we'll start with the back one.
Pretty simple.
Do we need safety glasses?
Is there metal going in?
We'll be fine.
I can't see the circle, so.
Says in there.
Of dust.
Can't go back now.
See through the other side. That's number one done. Maybe anything to say? Okay.
This is very scary. This is extremely scary. So we've done one hole, we've scratched the paint on the inside, and we've pushed all the metal up on the outside.
Yep. One hole down, 3 to go.
So we've learned multiple lessons on that one.
And we're gonna file it back. This is our second time doing a wing. Not first time for Tim, second time for us.
And now we learned why you go from top to bottom when you're drilling a hole.
Yeah, so we got what? Screw it in, file it back a little bit more, and then yeah, just make sure it's nice and tight with washers, and that'll be it. And I'll get some final shots. What is little bird doing? Just like you. So, all finished up now.
It's
Yeah,
looking
how do you
great.
feel?
It's a job well done. Like, it was a bit scuffed, and it was very, very scary, but the output has come out really clean. We ended up using all but one of the washers because one of them was a little bit tricky at the end, but it's just sitting pretty now. So
Yeah, no, it looks really good. It didn't take too long, which is good.
the
But yeah.
Mugen stickers came out really nice.
Yeah, no, it actually looks really clean with the Mugen.
Yeah.
I reckon it looks really good. I think we did a pretty good job. It was good fun. So we'll see what else we'll end up doing with Tim
With the Accord.
with the Accord Euro. Seems like a pretty nice car. I've been in it a couple times. Tim drives it pretty well, I must say. But yeah, so we'll be helping Tim out plenty other times in the future, I'm sure.
For sure.
So, and you might end up seeing me on his socials and YouTube and whatever,
For sure.
which I'll put in the video. I'm sure probably around now, or I might even chuck it at the front as well. Anyway, see ya.
See ya.